Paithago Pakistan shak Baithangno Gosiwi Rwkha India by retaliation eba ballistic missile by attack Khlaijakmani Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif shaka Laithanai 10 May horni to 30 am tamani zorawa General Ashim Munir Bonafun Khlai Shahorka ballistic missile by Nur Khan Air Base Day Kubandal Bidal Amse attack Khlaiga India Hanai
Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has admitted to India's precision missile strike on the Nur Khan Air Base in Rawalpindi and other sites. In a statement that has now gone viral on social media, Sharif is heard saying that Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir personally called him at 2:30 am on the intervening night of May 9th and 10th to inform him about the attack.
Paithago party muni yagola India ne operation Sindoni bising te Pakistan te PUK ni kaiso ko terrorist camp te air base at a Khlaijakmani Baithangno Gosiwi na haira tongmani Pakistan habang fiaba Paithago India ba at a Khlaijakmani kokno Gosiwi na harka Pakistan ashok shal abono Gosiwi na haira tongmani Pakistan habang Operation Sindoni bising te India Pakistano bahake kulis harawe at a Khlaiga abono shak Baithangno Gosiwi na harka Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif Abahakino Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif Debushaka Pakistani Jotoni Nangkongmani Air Base Nobo missile bike attack Khlaiga India Hanai
एक हम जवाब देंगे 9 और 10 की दरमियानी रात में तकरीबन 2:30 बजे सिपह सलार जनरल सैयद आसिम मुनीर ने मुझे सिक्योर फोन पे मुझे बताया कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म साहब हिंदुस्तान ने अपने बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल अभी लॉन्च किए हैं एक नूर खान एयरपोर्ट पे गिरा है और कुछ और दूसरे इलाकों में गिरे हैं मेरे इंतहाई काबिल एहतराम बुजुर्गों भाई और बहनों मैं उस खुदाए बुजुर्गों बरतर को गवाह बनाकर कहता हूं कि इस जर्नैल की आवाज़ में इंतहाई एतमाद था खुददारी थी
Party Munati India Hakodoni Kastam diplomat Rajiv Dogra Tamushaka Kanawina Leano Tabuk Faidi.
Mr. Shehbaz Sharif certainly has good imagination, very fertile imagination, but obviously peace is not in Pakistan's dictionary. So before proposing anything, I think he should look into his own conscience and decide whether Pakistan has ever been peaceful to anyone, not just to India, whether it has been peaceful to Afghanistan, whether it has been peaceful to Iran, whether it has been peaceful even to Russia, which is a distant neighbor. So for Pakistan to suggest that we should sit like peaceful neighbors is a piece of fiction. Well, I don't think Mr. Sharif is serious because he's just mouthing it to impress the international community that look, I am talking of peace. India is not being reciprocal and not reciprocating in equal measures.
Fiaba Pakistan se Puila Indiano ceasefire Khlainani Koimong Rohormani Koktumano Gosiwi na Harlia Pakistan. Ulta India se Puila Pakistano ceasefire Khlainani Bagai Koimong Rohor Hani Shaka Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. Bureau Report Chini Khorang.